one is a number system. Number system is a part of mathematics where numerical values are involved. What are numerical values? Whole numbers, natural numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, you call decimals, recurring decimal, fractions, decimals, mixed fractions. Anywhere you see a number, that comes under which topic? Number system. Number system. That is first one. Anywhere you see variables, what are variables? All alphabets, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. That is called as algebra. Please write down. Number system is representation using numbers. Number system is representation using numbers. Representation using numbers. What is algebra? Representation, right, using variables. Using variables. In algebra, we will use alphabets. Algebra is determining the unknown, right? This will be represented using A, B, C and so on up to X, Y, Z. We have to fit in a value to this variable. Suppose 2a is equivalent to 6. What is the value of a? What is the value of a? 3. How you got 3? Yes, a equivalent to 6 by 2. So giving a value to a variable. Variable means which varies. That means which changes. If I keep Srishtiya, Drishti, Driti, 3a equivalent to 12. What is the value of a, Driti? 4. That means here the value of a is 4. Here the value of a is 3. That means the value of a is changing. Sometimes it is 4, sometimes it is 3, sometimes it can be another value of a. So the value is not constant. Constant means it is a fixed value, which is changing here. Anything which changes is called variable. Please write down. Whenever I am teaching a class, if something is unclear to you, raise your hand. Yes. Try to understand your class 4. Whatever you can understand. Okay? You are from which school? DPS. Kajagoda? Oh, my kids are also in DPS Kajagoda. Right. So, algebra is any representation using variables. This is tough. Algebra is tough because the length and breadth of the topics in algebra are more. Next comes, Dhriti asked what is mensuration, right? That also we will discuss. Geometry. Geometry is using diagrams. Any question in geometry, it will be full of diagrams. Graphs, bar graph, pie chart, cumulative bar graph, line graph, tabular representation. Anywhere you see diagrams, right, that comes under geometrical representation, right? Next is arithmetic. Please write down. Geometry is representation using diagrams. Representation using diagrams. What is arithmetic? Keep telling, whatever you said is an answer for mathematical operations. Plus, minus, into, division. These all are performed on these topics. On these topics, you will apply mathematical operations. 2 plus 3 is equivalent to 5. You said plus, Pranav, right? Plus C is applied on numbers. X square plus y square plus C is applied on x square. 3 dots are joined. It is a triangle. Dot, dot, dot. Right? So, you will apply mathematical operations on numerical problems or on variable problems, all on diagram problems. What is arithmetic? Arithmetic is anything we do day-to-day life. What do you suppose you went to a Vijeta supermarket? You will say, I want a 5-star chocolate. She said it costs 30 rupees. So you paid how much? 30 rupees. Right? So what is the cost? Suppose There is a 5-star chocolate. It is written 40 rupees, but Vijeta special price is 30 rupees. Am I right? Have you seen sometimes they will give one pamphlet, right? So that is one thing. And next thing, suppose you are going in your father's vehicle. Your father is driving at some speed. There is no congestion. He increases the speed, right? All these day-to-day mathematics is called arithmetic. Please, day-to-day life, whatever you see in day-to-day life, day-to-day life. Tell me some examples what you do in day-to-day life. Suppose you went to school. What's your name? Maitri. You went to a school. They gave an homework. 30 problems are there. You did not do the homework. So within 1 hour, your mama kept on scolding you to do the homework. But in 1 hour, morning 7 o'clock, school bus comes. 6 o'clock, mama said, do the homework. Within 1 hour, 30 problems are impossible. You will not complete the work, right? So anything that you do in day-to-day life, what are day-to-day lives? Now Rayansh will tell me. Rayansh likes pizzas, right? So pizza is divided into 4 pieces, right? This one pizza you ate, right? So one pizza you ate. Out of total how many pieces? 4. This we call it as ratio. Total how many are there? 4 parts are there. You ate one part out of 4 parts. Ratio, day-to-day life. 1:4, which we call it as ratio. In other words, it is also called as fraction, ratio, fraction. Whatever you are doing in your day-to-day life, that comes under which topic? Arithmetic. Arithmetic. What your entire mathematics, which all topics are there? Number system, algebra, geometry, arithmetic.